Yo, what's up? Good morning to all. It's me again. It's already 7:20 in the morning. Pang 10 araw na natin ngayon. So, tuloy-tuloy lang para for conditioning lang ng katawan natin. Okay? So, jogging muna tayo. Tayo muna natin makapag-jogging. Salamat at sa panibagong araw ulit na pinagkaloob ni Lord. Alright, let's go. Ayun, what's up guys? Jogging muna tayo guys. At least 30 to 45 minutes jogging. Nagdagan natin, medyo hindi ko naramdam yung sakit pagka 30 minutes lang. So dagdagan natin at least 45 minutes ay mag-jogging. Let's go. Dami nang jogging yung araw Monday. Day, dami ko mag-jogging ngayon.
Happy Monday, rise and sing, fill the air with hope you bring, let your kindness lead the way.
Yun, diretso na tayo for leg workout. First is jumping lunges, 20 reps, 3 set. Ang sarap sa mga tuhod niyan. Next is jump squat, 20 repetition din guys, then 3 set. Then next guys, single leg lateral hurdle jump. So left and right po ginawa ko dyan. 20 repetition, then 3 set. Then next guys, high knee, 20 reps, 3 set. Ang sunod natin guys is mountain climbers, 20 repetition, 3 set din ginawa ko dyan. The next guys is split jump. So alternate yan, left tsaka sa right. 20 repetition, then 3 set. Then lastly guys is lateral jump, 20 repetition, 3 set din. So yun lamang. God bless to all. Bye bye.